The dog who touched the stars? This is Rocket. He sat beside astronauts as they prepare a spacecraft. His tail wags as he watches, mimicking their movements. His paws switches as he floats in zero gravity and gazes out the window with determination. Rocket wasn't just any dog. While others thought he was only a mascot, he was secretly learning everything: how to float, how to press buttons, how to be brave among the stars. The rocket blasts off. Flames roar, engines thunder. Rocket sits proudly inside, helmet on, eyes wide as the Earth shrinks behind him. He wasn't scared. This was his dream. The spacecraft touches down softly. Moon dust swirls as Rocket leaps out in a tiny dog-sized spacesuit. He pads forward cautiously. Silence surrounds him. From behind the rock, a glowing figure emerges, an alien cat. Its fur shimmers like galaxies, eyes glowing like moons. It flicks its tail, leaving sparkles in the air. The alien cat meowed as it came closer to Rocket. Rocket lowers into a playful bow. The cat purrs, stepping closer. They touch noses gently, a spark of understanding between them. They didn't need words. Both were explorers, both were far from home, and both were looking for a friend. They chase each other across the lunar dust, paw prints trailing under the glow of Earth above. Rocket and the alien cat sit side by side, gazing up at the stars. The moon feels alive with their laughter and play. For the first time, the moon wasn't lonely. Rocket hadn't just found the moon, he had found a friend among the stars. Rocket barks happily. The alien cat purrs. Together, they look up at the universe, united. Like and subscribe, and make sure to follow for more.